Hey, what's going on, people? Welcome to the Freetrepreneur channel. In this video, I'm going to show you something really precise. I'm going to show you, I just received an order from a product on my store for $33, but I'm going to show you how the shipping time with new virus out there takes longer on AliExpress to be shipped to people in the United States. So like I said, I was sleeping and my store is on automation, so I just received this order, and when I will click on this button to place the order automatically, you will see it will go on AliExpress and place the order. You will see how long the e-packet lasts. But before I dive into that, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the channel, because in this channel we cover everything from e-commerce, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, online ads, Facebook and Instagram ad, blogging. So, and then there is a new video every week, so make sure you hit the like on this video and the subscribe button so you don't miss future video. Now let's get into the bulk of the subject. Like I said, if you are a drop shipper, this video is for you. If you're thinking about starting drop shipping and you don't know anything, this video is also for you. By the way, I don't use Shopify for the sole reason that Shopify requires a monthly fee, and if you're not productive or if you're not profitable, right, if you don't make a sale for a month, then what Shopify will do is that you will still pay them, so you're running actually negative. I'm using instead a plugin on WordPress, which is just one-time payment. Understand, it's a one-time payment. Let me show you. I'll put the link in the affiliate link in the description so you can check out the product that I use to do my drop shipping. It's called Ali Dropship, right? And it's a one-time payment for just $89. $89. I was able to set up my store like this and receive orders on automation. Okay, now once you order the product, it's free for update and support. Everything is automated, meaning with one click the product will go and purchase the item, fill out the detailed information of the customer, and ship the product to the customer. Now you also have an unlimited number of products to choose from, which I will show you how I do it after I show you how long it takes to do the shipping time with the new virus out there. Like I said, it's a one-time payment and you have all the tools necessary to manage your store. Now let's go step by step. Once you receive the product, you have the shipping detail of the customer on your site, and the benefit of it is that, or the benefit of drop shipping is that you have control over your customers, in the sense that I can retarget this customer. This is actually a returning customer. So if I click on place order automatically, you will see how it will do. I don't have to touch anything else. You click place order automatically. You see, you have to make sure you're logged in on AliExpress already. Once you're logged in on AliExpress, I'm not moving my mouse. It's doing everything by itself. So it's adding the product to the cart. It's adding, because the person ordered two products on AliExpress is $8, but I put it on my website for $16. So now that's an $8 profit. You see, the person paid $33, but the overall cost is $15. You see, I'm still not touching anything. The plugin is filling out the details information itself, so everything is on automation. And this is best if, for example, you don't have time and you just set up your store and you set up a method that drives traffic to your site. For example, you're able to build an Instagram theme page, for example, around animal product or animals, that will drive animal lovers to your site. Once they get to your site, they buy your product, and with one click you're done. One click, you move on to the next thing. You see, it automatically filled out anything, my payment card, the shipping detail of the person, and even the message that I sent to the seller. But what's interesting now is the shipping time. the shipping time has changed. Remember in the past, like with ePacket, it was about 14 days. Sometimes I was able to get like 10 days. But now currently we are on April 3rd, but the product will be shipped to the person, will be delivered to the person on May 9th. So that's about more than a month and 7 days or 6 days. This is very long. It's a long shipping time. Maybe once the situation has, this situation has gone and we've come back to normal days, the ePacket, the free shipping ePacket method will come back to 2 weeks. But for now it's very, very a pain in the ass, because this shipping time is too long. Like, imagine you're running ads and usually your customers, for example, expect a 7 days, right, shipping time. And now with the current situation, your delivery time is 2 weeks or maybe a month. Then less people are going to buy on your website. Therefore, you have to turn off your ads. But even in my case, I don't even care, for the simple reason that all my traffic on this site is on automation, and I'm not paying for ads anymore. Like, I set up an Instagram account. Let me show you. I've built an Instagram theme page that has about 144,000 followers to these days, and the beauty about it is that on the highlights of the Instagram page, I have like swipe up stories that people can always swipe up to buy product. You see, they can always swipe up to buy product, and this is what drives free traffic to my website. So even without doing any ads, spending any money, this is profit, because the only cost that I have is the cost of paying the product. But because I already inputted a margin, then everything that comes to my pocket is just profit, right? And you see, even with Wikibuy, you can even get additional percentage on AliExpress, like additional discount on AliExpress. You see, that's the seller discount. It applied $1 off the product. So instead of $16, $17, I'm paying about $16. So this is, like, as you can understand, this is pure profit. So think about it. Very, very simple. I'll put the affiliate link in the description of Ali Dropship. It's a one-time payment. You set up your store and you forget about it, and you set up the traffic source, and literally everything that comes in is just profit. Let's complete the order, because everything is already filled. The only thing you have to do at the end is just place order, and you will see that, hey, the order is confirmed. Thank you for shopping. Maybe like in a few seconds you will see what it will say, payment successful, and then that's it. Let me show you how the store looks like for now. Like, I already set up the traffic source, as you saw in the highlights of the page. Like, this is a theme page around lions, which drives enough traffic to the site with like either the link in bio and also the swipe up stories. But then when people get to the store, you see, this is how the store looks like. It's a very, very simple, beautiful store that people can come in and buy different product. Like, if they come, for example, they're interested in this product, it from the moment they access the website to the moment they buy, there is less friction. There are like, I reduced the number of steps. And also the beauty about this plugin is that it has free themes. I have about 4 websites, different sites that I use this plugin on, right? That have different themes. There are themes that are good for like animal product. There are themes that are good for furniture. There are themes that are good for clothing. And so, like, if for example someone comes on this site, like they swipe up on a story on Instagram, they access this, for example, they can select the product they want. They select the product they want, they select the size they want, they select the quantity they want, they add to cart. The moment they add to cart, boom, I'll probably have here. See, they added to cart here. See, they added to cart here. You can reduce, you can remove the product. Like you can click on remove, and that's it. You click on proceed to checkout. Once you click to proceed to checkout, okay. Proceed to checkout. From checkout, the person will input the contact information, shipping address, shipping method, and then they will select the payment method and complete the order. And then you will receive a message about the order on your store, on your email that you specified. From there, you just check your website, and then you will see that you click on main menu order, and then you will see the order details, the price of the product that the person paid, and you just click here, place order automatically. So it's very, very convenient for someone who does not have time. You just make a one-time payment, you know how to set up your website, and that's it. The reason why I switched from Shopify to this is because this plugin, the only thing you have to take care of is just your website, and then that's it. While Shopify has monthly cost just from using the platform, but then again, WordPress is the most popular website builder or platform for website around the world, and it has so many plugins as well that are really, really good for dropshippers that also Shopify has. For example, this Ali dropship thing also has like an abandoned cart, which is free. They have a lot of free add-ons that you can add on your main plugin that you bought to sort of supplement it. So if you click on abandoned cart, for example, you will see, and you'll see the number of people that came on your site got to the point where they added the product on your cart, and then they didn't finish the purchase. But then you also have email template that you don't have to set up things like MailChimp, but because the product, the free plugin, the free add-on that they give you can send email, like follow-up email to people that abandoned the cart in such a way that if you click on email template and you click, for example, on here, like 7 days or maybe like 3 hours after the person has abandoned the cart, it's able to send them an email like, oops, you've forgotten something in your cart, so the person can come back on their cart and check the product out. And also from the window abandoned cart, you're able to see who exactly abandoned the cart, what's their email. So if you want to follow up as well with a personal email, you can do that. So that's the beauty of this plugin. And also you have like a countdown timer. Countdown timer is like if you get to the website, for example, you will see that there is like a notification button saying that, oh, someone from somewhere has bought the product. So you just have like so many product, so many add-ons from this plugin. That's why I love to use it instead of Shopify. Again, I hope this, and plus it's very, very easy. Like we said, unlimited product to import. If you come here, you have to import, you have multiple options. You can actually import even a supplier, a whole supplier. So let's say you go on AliExpress and you find a good supplier that is really reliable, has good rating. Like instead of importing one product at a time, the new feature of the plugin, like I said, they update it all the time. So there is a new feature now that's beta. You can import a supplier product. So if you come here, you click on supplier, you can find the supplier ID on AliExpress and then input that supplier ID here. The supplier will be all the supplier's product will be imported on your store with the margin you specified, and then you will make profit from that. But also you can import reviews, you can import individual product, and I think you have an option to add about once you buy the plugin, you have an option to add about 40 or 50 highly curated description, like product with highly curated description that you can add to your store, and then the rest you can add as many product as you want, but you have to do some editing before publishing on your website, just like I do on my own website, right? So again, this is what I wanted to show you. I think with the new situation, the shipping time has gone up, but hopefully it comes back down after the situation has passed. And everyone that wants to learn more about dropshipping or that wants to see more dropshipping videos, put a like, subscribe, because there are a lot of other videos coming like that in the future. But also leave a comment in the description or in the comment section to really tell me what is that you really like, or what is that you want to see in the future. Until next time, take good care of yourself. Bye. And also if you want to learn how to grow your Instagram, right, like from zero, I grew it from 0 to 144,000 followers in the span of a year on automation. I'm not the one posting all these pictures. I only comment, maybe I only interact with the people that comment, but the posting time, the scheduling time is done on automation. So this is because it will be hard for you as a dropshipper to manage your store, but also to manage the social media. So you need tools that can do some part of the job for you. And in this channel, this is what I show you completely for free, in-depth tutorial. So make sure you hit the like button, you hit the subscribe, and until next time, take good care. Bye.